Jacqueline, you are absolutely right there in introducing our do-it-yourself Labor Day desserts with lifestyle expert Ava Uppal. Very nice of you to join us.
Thank you for having
today,
us again.
As well as your lovely daughter here today.
Yeah, we're so happy. Yes, let's get started.
Let's get started.
Are you guys ready for the fall? Because I'm not yet.
You're not ready for the fall yet?
No, we still
I'm
have
not ready for the
4
fall
weeks.
yet either. We got 4 weeks. It's going to warm back up next week, and this is a perfect time to talk about these desserts that you have cooking here.
Absolutely, and Labor Day weekend is coming up. You can get your hands in cooking and get some beautiful desserts. So let's get started here with some burger cupcakes. It's super easy. All you need is a vanilla cupcake that you slice in half. Then you can use these cupcakes that are chocolate or brownie. You just slice it in the middle. You can go ahead and do it with us.
I really like this.
Go.
I have never heard of a burger cupcake before. This is innovative and probably very good.
Yeah, and you just add some strawberries
Yes.
in the middle to serve as your tomatoes. Here we go. I'm going to give you
tomato day here at Lion Lunch Hour. I don't know if you heard.
Everywhere.
Okay.
Every flavor of tomato. And then you can add some French mint leaves to serve as the lettuce. So you can go ahead and do that. And then finally, you close it. And here we go. You have a burger cupcake. And I love using tin foil to wrap it up because it's, first of all, it looks better.
Sure.
Looks a little bit more real. It's easier to carry and eat. And yeah.
No.
The kids love it.
I love it. And that's where I was going to go with this as well, because I don't know about your daughter, but for my son, eating things like burgers is such a challenge. But when you start off something like this, it shows them how good it can be.
Absolutely. I love it. So now let's start.
Yes.
Go ahead and get some desserts in.
Let's get it.
Here we have some ice cream cone cakes.
Yes.
It's actually super easy and fun to make. You just use your cake batter, pour it directly into these cones, and bake it.
And then bake
Right?
it.
Yeah, and you can decorate it however you want. You can add some sprinkles on this, and then you can use just some piping bag, your favorite frosting, and ta-da, you have a dessert. The best part of this is it does not melt.
It doesn't melt.
Yeah, and I have a little tip here. So if you don't want to indulge too much sugar,
Sure.
you can go ahead and use this mini cones because it's bite-sized. It's small, and it's perfect for younger kids too.
No, I think that that's wonderful. And when I was looking at this, I was like, well, we do something that looks like ice cream. Why not do ice cream? But you're absolutely right. When you have the youngins, you can have this so it doesn't melt, and that makes it even more portable and even more better.
Yes,
I love
absolutely.
it. Come on.
Zoya loves this one. Here we go. Here we go, Zoya. And then next, we have a staple for the summer, which is the watermelon. Before it's the end of the season, let's get your hands on a watermelon. But this time, keep the rind. Do not throw it away and turn it into a grill that is at a fraction of the cost of the real grill. And it's kid-friendly. You can use these bamboo skewers to build the grill shapes, and you can then make some fruit skewers, or you can put your beautiful creations on the grill.
It serves as its own tray and platter there as well. I love, this is my favorite one thus far. I love watermelon. I love grapes. You have brought this right here to me on its own watermelon grill. Okay, all right. What do we got going over here?
Yes, absolutely. And I want to mention that if you have a Labor Day party coming up, this is such a great centerpiece element to elevate your party or bring as a guest to someone else's party.
I agree. Big fan of this.
Yeah. So here I'm learning this new, right? I came here to America not long ago. I love the concept of an ice cream truck. And then I found about these rocket pop ice creams not too long ago, but I thought let's just make a cookie out of it. So you just roll your cookie dough in blue, red, and just a plain color. Then you just cut it with anything you can find to cut it. You place a wooden spatula on that and you bake it, or you can also add some white chocolate in the back once they're baked and stick it in. Here we go, you got some rocket pop cookies that do not melt.
That is amazing. I love this. Again, portability, we got things not melting. This is all perfect for summertime, especially for those out there if you have children.
Absolutely.
Outstanding. Thank you so very much for joining us. 4 outstanding options right here. Jacqueline, what do you got cooking?